Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Solana, we are trading at $14.18. 24-hour volume, we are down 44%, and market cap, we are up 0.87%. Heading over to our daily chart here, last video, we essentially saw the drop of Solana on November 7th and essentially going to see where the price was going to hold. And surprisingly enough here, Solana was able to come with a area of support we can see back here on March 1st and then March 8th as well on our weekly chart. So it is still looking a little promising here for Solana. We can see that the MACD indicator is getting smaller with the histograms or the momentum on a weekly time frame. So we are anticipating this to cross over from the green over to the red. And when that does occur here, then price for Solana can easily come down back to, again, the $8 or the $7 range. Now, heading over to the 2-hour immediate short term here, we can see that the price itself broke through our downwards channel. And again, the downwards channel that we're seeing was hitting resistance at this sloping trend line, coming down to an area of support. And we saw the area of support roughly around the $12.40, coming out with a huge comeback here with this green candle bursting out of the top of our trend line and then coming down downwards. Now, what we could see here is a resistance line that we are having at the $15.11. A few of our candlestick wicks at the very top here hit this resistance line. And essentially at the very bottom here, we are continuously making a lot of lower high wicks, which does show again weakness of the sellers. Now we are at a very, very critical point here. Now we can see that normally the moving averages here are treated as an area of resistance and as an area of support. So we can see here that we've actually at a critical point here, seeing if we're able to hold on to an area of support of our 20 moving average. And we can see this orange line here of our 50 moving average. We can see a rejection of the 50 MA, however, holding on very nicely on an area of support. Now we do have an area of supply and demand. I'm going to zoom out here that you can see on our volume profile, which is this blue and yellow indicator off to the side here that measures volume on dollar amounts. And we can see that the area of supply is at 1392 being the area of support and the resistance at 1437 depending on where the price is. And we can see that it's retracing down to this area of support. Now, this is going to be a very primal area that we want to take a look at 61% of our fib at 1395. If the price can bounce very nicely around this area of our fib, then price is going to come up and retest our area of resistance. We can already see on a 2-hour time frame, a few of our candlestick wicks have already held really nicely as an area of support at 61% of our fib. If we take a look at the characteristic of our last candlestick here, we can see it's a spinning top candlestick with the wick at the top and at the very bottom, which is the size twice the size of the body itself, and the body remains at the middle of the actual candlestick range. These candlesticks are very, very dangerous in terms of the next candlestick formation. So if we do end in a candlestick similar to this one here in the red, engulfing the previous candlestick, then the price is going to come down and find and retest an area of support where we have is at 61% here. And if you'll notice, it's going to cross and close below our 20 MA, ultimately breaking the Solana's uptrend that we've seen from the outburst on November 13th. So be very cautious of that. Definitely take a look here. And of course, our MACD indicator that measures momentum, if we do go from the green over to the red at an area of 61%, then we're going to retrace down to our next area of support here at 1359. As we can see, a few of our candlesticks here retrace down to this level earlier, I think a few days ago. So November 13th, we can see here, and November 14th. So let me know what you guys think down below. Like and subscribe to the channel for daily crypto videos, but I'll see you guys next time. Bye.